Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete customers in QuickBooks. So, just head over to QuickBooks and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on Customers and Leads, then click on Customers. So while there's no specific delete button or delete setting on QuickBooks, you can still remove a specific customer by checking the box on the specific customer, or if you want to delete all, then click on batch actions, then make inactive. So as you can see, if you make the customers inactive, their balances will be cleared. So this is something you should be wary about. And once you're sure to remove or delete the specific customer, just proceed by clicking on yes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!